Mariana becomes a butterfly, an agricultural engineering story. Chapter 5, Finding Balance. The next day I put on my nicest outfit to visit Tia Letty at the university. I got to see her office and meet some of the people she works with before she took me outside to a papaya orchard. This is where we test many of our ideas. Tia Letty inspected one of the beautiful orange papayas above her head. She reached up and plucked it from a low branch. My mouth watered. Sweet papaya is my favorite breakfast. But when Tia Letty turned the papaya over, I saw that it had a wormhole in it. "Oh no!" I cried. "There's a mealybug in the papaya." I had seen mealybugs eating the fruit on the papaya tree in our backyard. Once they get inside, the fruit is not good for people anymore. When I was a little girl, there were no mealybugs in the Dominican Republic, Tia Letty said. The papaya mealybug's original home is in Mexico. But a few years ago, the papaya mealybug showed up here. It started feasting on our papaya fruits. The mealybugs were getting happy and fat, but the insects ruined the papayas for people. Poor papayas, I said, and poor people. What could we do? One thing we could do is spray chemicals that kill insects called pesticides on the trees, said Tia Letty. But some pesticides that we use can also be harmful to people. And what if some other insects like butterflies landed on the papaya tree? Could the pesticides hurt them too? I asked. Good questions, my little butterfly, said Tia Letty. They could hurt them. We did some research and found that instead of using chemicals to kill the mealybugs, we would get help from another insect. There's a certain type of wasp that kills the mealybug. If we release enough of those wasps, they would stop the mealybugs from destroying so many papayas. We call this integrated pest management. It's another natural system, a system that uses the processes of nature instead of processes created by people. A natural system, just like pollination, I said. So that wasp helped balance the environment again. Very good, Mariana, said Tia Letty. The environment has many natural systems that maintain their own special balance. Tia Letty's explanation made sense, but something still bothered me. Wait a minute, Tia Letty, I said. If I could bring an insect here from Hawaii to pollinate my plant, the insect might be helpful like the wasp. But what if it's like the mealybug and causes lots of problems? I could upset the balance of the environment. I still don't know how to help my plant. Keep thinking, Mariana, Tia Letty said. If one solution does not work, then you need to think of a different one. Let's take a walk into my lab. I want to show you something that I think might help you engineer a solution to your pollination problem. Chapter 5, Talk About Questions. Mariana and Tia Letty thought of several possible solutions. What were they? Why weren't they happy with these solutions?